Did you know that some of the world's most iconic cars are named after people? From pioneers and inventors to places with historical figures as their namesakes, these vehicles carry more than just passengers. They transport legacies. Imagine sliding behind the wheel of the Ford Mustang, a car inspired not just by a powerful animal, but also named after the P-51 Mustang, a fighter plane that dominated the skies in World War II. Or consider the sleek, high-performance Ferrari Enzo, an automobile that pays homage to its visionary creator, Enzo Ferrari. Each car has a story, a person behind its name who inspired innovation and excellence. These aren't just models picked from a lineup. They are tributes, carrying the spirit and dreams of their namesakes into the future. Dive into the histories of these vehicles, and you'll uncover tales of ambition, inspiration, and homage that fuel their journey across the roads of the world. Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang, named after the P-51 Mustang fighter plane from World War II, stands as a quintessential symbol of American automotive prowess and culture. This iconic sports car, which debuted at the New York World's Fair on April 17, 1964, was the brainchild of co-designer John Najar, who harbored a deep admiration for the fighter plane's power and agility. His vision was to infuse these qualities into a car that would capture the hearts and imaginations of Americans, leading to the birth of the Mustang. Upon its release, the Mustang shattered expectations and sales records, offering a new class of vehicle, the pony car. Defined by its affordable pricing, sporty design, long hoods, and short rear decks, the Mustang appealed to a diverse audience, from young professionals to speed enthusiasts. Its introduction also marked a significant shift in American car design, steering away from the larger, less efficient vehicles of the previous era towards more compact, dynamic designs. Over the years, the Ford Mustang has undergone numerous transformations, each enhancing its performance and aesthetics to adapt to changing tastes and technologies. Despite these changes, the Mustang has consistently retained its foundational characteristics: striking design, impressive performance, and an accessible price point. The evolution of the Mustang includes several notable models, such as the Shelby Jeep 500, known for its raw power and racing pedigree, and the Mach 1, which offers a perfect blend of performance and design finds. The Mustang's cultural impact extends beyond the automotive industry. It has been a fixture in numerous films, television shows, and songs, cementing its status as a cultural icon. The car not only represents freedom and adventure, but also embodies the spirit of innovation and resilience that characterizes American history and identity. Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevrolet Corvette, introduced in 1953, is an emblematic figure in American automotive culture, affectionately known as America's sports car. The name Corvette was inspired by the swift, agile warship of the same name, reflecting the vehicle's design and performance ethos. Myron Scott, a photographer for Chevrolet at the time, proposed the name, envisioning a car that embodied the sleekness and speed of the naval vessel. From its inception, the Corvette was designed to offer a distinctive American take on the sports car, a segment that had been predominantly dominated by European manufacturers. Its introduction marked a turning point for Chevrolet, showcasing their capability to produce a high-performance vehicle that combined both luxury and power. The first model, known as the Cone, set the tone with its unique fiberglass body and sporty design, capturing the imagination of the post-war American public hungry for innovation and newness. Over the decades, the Corvette has undergone numerous transformations across its generations, each iteration enhancing its performance capabilities and luxury features. From the introduction of the small block V8 in the second generation to the sophisticated Zero models, the Corvette has continuously pushed the boundaries of what American sports cars can achieve. Its evolution includes cutting-edge technological advancements such as carbon fiber components, sophisticated aerodynamic designs, and powerful, efficient engines. Ferrari Enzo. The Ferrari Enzo, an epitome of supercar excellence, was named in honor of the company's illustrious founder, Enzo Ferrari. Unveiled in 2002, this car stands as a tribute to Ferrari's rich legacy in the world of racing, embodying the passion and innovation that Enzo Ferrari infused into every aspect of his company. The Enzo Ferrari is not just a car, but a masterpiece of automotive engineering, designed to push the boundaries of performance and design. At the heart of the Enzo lies a formidable 12-cylinder mid-engine, one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines of its time. This setup ensures that the Enzo delivers an exhilarating driving experience, characterized by rapid acceleration and responsive handling. The engine's prowess is complemented by advanced aerodynamics and a lightweight construction primarily using carbon fiber, which helps the car achieve an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. Limited to only 400 units, the Ferrari Enzo's exclusivity is unmatched, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Each vehicle represents a convergence of cutting-edge technology and a timeless aesthetic, a hallmark of Ferrari's commitment to luxury and performance. The Enzo is more than just a high-performance vehicle. It is a piece of Ferrari's storied history, a fitting homage to a man whose vision forever changed the automotive landscape. Mercedes-Benz GClass. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, or G-Wagen, meaning off-road vehicle, is an iconic luxury SUV that seamlessly combines rugged capability with sophisticated elegance. Since its inception in 1979, the G-Class has built a reputation as one of the most versatile vehicles in the automotive world. Originally developed as a military vehicle at the behest of the Shah of Iran, a significant Mercedes shareholder at the time, it was engineered to excel in harsh, challenging environments. Over the decades, the G-Class has transitioned from a purely utilitarian vehicle into a status symbol, offering an unparalleled blend of luxury and off-road performance. The vehicle's design has remained largely unchanged, a testament to its timeless appeal and robust functional aesthetics. Inside, the G-Class spoils its occupants with advanced technology, premium materials, and meticulous craftsmanship, transforming every drive into a luxurious experience. Despite its evolution into a luxury icon, the G-Class has retained its formidable off-road capabilities, equipped with powerful engines, a rugged chassis, and advanced forward systems. This makes it equally at home on the city streets as it is on remote backroads, embodying the spirit of adventure that is a hallmark of the Mercedes-Benz brand. Whether navigating urban landscapes or exploring untamed terrains, the G-Class stands as a true testament to luxury that knows no bounds. Lamborghini Countach. The Lamborghini Countach, introduced in 1974, is a marvel of automotive design and engineering that has left an indelible mark on the supercar landscape. Named after the Piedmontese exclamation Countach, which translates to an expression of astonishment, the car truly lived up to its name from the moment it was unveiled. This term was reportedly used by Nuccio Bertone, the head of the famous Italian design house, when he first saw Marcello Gandini's audacious and innovative design for the car. The Countach revolutionized the concept of the supercar with its sharp angular lines and its forward-thinking wedge shape, which became a signature style for high-performance sports cars in the years that followed. Beyond its groundbreaking aesthetics, the Countach was a powerhouse, equipped with a mid-mounted V12 engine that enabled blistering performance speeds, making it one of the fastest cars of its time. Throughout its production life, the Lamborghini Countach continued to evolve, incorporating technological advancements and design refinements that kept it at the forefront of automotive excellence. It remained in production until 1990, during which it inspired countless enthusiasts and manufacturers alike. The Countach not only exemplified Lamborghini's commitment to innovation, but also cemented its status as a symbol of peak automotive aspiration. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango is named after the city of Durango, Mexico. While not named after a single individual, the use of a place name that itself honors a person, Durango, is named after the Mexican revolutionary Guadalupe Victoria, whose birth name was José Miguel Ramón Adacto Fernández y Félix, carries the influence of a person's legacy. The Durango has been marketed as a sturdy and versatile SUV since its introduction in 1998. Porsche Cayenne, named after the cayenne pepper, not directly after a person, but interestingly enough, it carries a connection through language, as the pepper itself was named after the capital city of French Guiana. Cayenne! The name signifies the spicy character of this performance-oriented SUV introduced by Porsche in 2002. broadening its market beyond traditional sports cars. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Have thoughts or questions? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.